Hey, let's try to deep understand the problem and solution. I create first a presentation that you wanna be understand about the problem I figure out and how can we solve. This is the first presentation. So first we go to the about what problem are we solving. So this is important. What are we trying to solve it? You jump. So the problem is come from a other recording or the summarize to what they do and what we can do as a more better. We can try to they don't have memory or maybe have, so this is limited time of memory, limited time of memory that will be forget about this meeting or casual or important notes, but we can try to be remember every conversation is forever. That's gonna be impact in our company and our vision. Connect.access data set as a meeting on the month so people can uh, remember. So how can we solve this? Let's try to the solution. Okay, let's step four step that build a memory for every conversation, and we try to be solved in the fourth step the problem. Okay, first listen and recording. So we first try to as a audio to a text. So second we try to be a understand and memory remember. Okay, sorry, remember. So our AI tool be remember everything about chat important, just remember and understand, not just focusing keyword. Okay, this is important. I will be deep dive into about that. So search and recall. So and then there's a recall. Okay, let's drive the first step. Listen and recording. Okay, this is important. How can we solve it? So we try to using Whisper as a OpenAI model. Is a get for as a text to audio to text. How it converts as you add the audio, so that will be the John. We will be follow up to the Friday. So this will be work. So we solve the step one. Okay, let's try to do step two. And how can we solve it? There is a step two. Is important step. The understand and remember. This is the most important part in this presentation. How we can solve it. Okay, where we store and what does AI look for? What AI look for? People mention, and this is action. And what does store and what we store? What does the link memorizing? And what is how can either memorize everything about this AI? We try to do that there. Okay, and step three. This is gonna be help the people about the meeting important keywords. What did the AI? What did I promise Sarah? Okay, what did I? Then they will be give this answer like that way. Okay, and we do this as a second part. Okay, as a step three, search and recall, and then is a step four, pre-call. So before another meeting, if they want any important information, that's gonna be held this part as an AI who before you go another interview, that's gonna be held as a no certain given notes about new uh meeting. They will help. Okay, so this is important. Our founder, what is the focus most? Privacy, our region. Okay, that yeah, our founder is what is the motivation about that? We don't want to uh, collect every data set as a cloud or our storage. We give this all data sets as a user. They can use a local store, and they can we don't store any data set. This is important. Okay, and this is our structure. Then we go to the building part and step 4, how can we build it, and week by week structure roadmap. So first we have to step 1, speak to text pipeline. We want to create this. Okay, we will be do that. And week 3 and 4, then we fill memory bank and start search that AI text and everything. And then pre-call, we do this week 5 and privacy. Okay, that is everything, and that is our presentation, and we go to the another step and deep dive how we can solve it and what is our next move. drive it. Okay, and this is our presentation, and this is just normal introduction why I'm perfect for this uh, co-founder. Okay, let's drive another part. Okay, before we dive in the code, and this is the code and pipeline I already created. So let's dive in about how it works and listen. Part one, oh sorry, step one, and I create this is a HTML file. So this is our end-to-end pipeline demo. So here are meeting one and meeting two and meeting three. This is the text Adil Azra, random name. This my name is Adil. Okay, that's conversation. This is conversation that as a meeting, and the second meeting is a conversation, and we this is this is important. Okay, and we will be stored it this type of data set. Okay, and mid October and date, and that will be planned for October. Okay, this will be memorized and this will store it. And next, we got to remember what will be most priority about this conversation story and memorize store. Great to be this Friday, so we just store this promise in this category. How can we schedule this data set? Is a demo. Then we search. If we don't know anything about the last meeting and I forget about it, I take a note. So we just ask the budget with James. So we just ask, and here it is. This is amazing. It's like magic. Okay, let's go. So this is very cool, and I always say that about your last meeting. They will help you understand what was it, and you help next meeting. Okay, that's our presentation side. So what about the pipeline and code? Could be not be hard, I think. So this is our pipeline run. Okay, this is overall pipeline just run will be, and this is the part step one. How we can do this as a would you to as a text. This is whisper model we can use here, and here we store the data set. How can we store the data set? Here is all everything, and in search section we can search here, and this data set about everything search here, and here the step 4 and pre-call. Yeah, the pre-call does help uh, you next meeting or schedule. That's gonna be help you, and your topic and okay. I'm not going to deep dive about the code. I just show some demo. Okay, this is our presentation. This is our everything. So I hope you understand.